In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add interactive maps to Google Sheets. Interactive maps are a great way to turn a list of locations into something visual, so you can spot patterns and compare values at a glance. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Before you insert any map, make sure your data is prepared in a clean, simple layout. You will want one column that contains a geographic label, like a city, state, country, or a full address. Next to it, include a numeric column, like totals, counts, or sales. Keep headers clear, and try to keep the location names consistent so Google Sheets can recognize them correctly. Next, highlight the cells that include both the geographic data and the numbers you want to display. This selection matters because the chart uses it to understand what to map and what values to visualize. With your data selected, go up to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will place a chart on your sheet and open the chart editor on the right side. At first, you may see a standard chart type like a column chart, which is normal. In the chart editor, go to the Setup tab, open the chart type dropdown, and switch from the default chart to a map option. Choose a Geo Chart with markers, or a map chart, depending on what is available and how you want your locations displayed. If you are using addresses, a marker style is often the most helpful because each row can show as a point on the map. Now move into the Customize tab in the chart editor. This is where you refine how the map looks and behaves. You can adjust the region or zoom focus, change the color scale, and modify marker styling so the map is easier to read. If you see options like aggregation, you can enable it to combine repeated locations into a single marker, which is useful when multiple rows refer to the same place. You can also add or adjust colors, then confirm changes by clicking OK when prompted. Finally, return to your sheet and make sure your chart is using the intended ranges for the location column and the values column. Click into the data ranges in the editor and confirm the correct cells are referenced. As you click through different location cells in your table, you should see the map respond with the correct plotted points. And that covers everything you need to know.